To remove watch hands, you'll need watch hand removal tools and something to protect your dial with. If you want to do this the fancy way, you can get a Bergeon dial protector. But for home DIY, I'd just use a Ziploc bag for this purpose. The important thing is to keep the dial and whatever you're using as clean as possible. For example, using a dirty Bergeon 6938 is worse than using a clean plastic film. To remove a full set of watch hands, first adjust them so they are almost parallel. If your movement doesn't have a stop second function, then just set the hour and minute. We'll remove the hands when the second hand is almost aligned. Then we can ready our dial protection. If you are using a Ziploc bag, make sure only the clear parts are in contact with the dial. We can now use the hand removal tool to remove the watch hands. Try to keep both tools balanced as you don't want to bend anything in the process. If you would like to switch out or remove only the second hand, I'd recommend not trying to save time and remove all three hands instead. Attempting to remove the second hand by itself runs the risk of bending delicate components. If you don't have the second hand installed and are removing the minute hand only, you can try this method. Insert the tools between the hour and the minute hand, rotate one of the tools clockwise and the other counterclockwise. Try to keep the motion as balanced as possible. There you have it. You can now install new sets of watch hands onto your watch. If you want to know how, look at the video in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorials and tips.